Geeco, global leaders in energy and environment solutions. Geeco, a successful engineering organization, started its journey in 1985 under the name Geeta Engineering Company, manufacturing rotary air preheaters and its components. As the customer base grew, the company transformed into Geeco Enercon Private Limited in 1999 in Tiruchirappalli, India. To cater to global needs, Geeco has branches in Malaysia and South Africa. Our vision is to be a world-class engineering organization that provides the best products and services. Geeco has now grown into a full-fledged manufacturer of air preheaters, electrostatic precipitators, and its components. Management Team. Geeco derives its energy from the management team led by the Managing Director, Mr. V. Rajagopal, who has a vast and rich experience in management. He has worked with most of the air preheater designs available around the globe. Our key people assist in formulating the company's overall future direction in order to achieve our vision to be a world-class engineering organization that provides the best products and services. Engineering and development. Our team analyzes the condition of the air preheaters and electrostatic precipitators and suggests improvements to enhance the performance and the reliability of the product operation. We not only incorporate the latest technology, but also focus on precision while engineering our products for different makes and sizes, up to a power plant capacity of 1000 megawatts. Manufacturing. Geeco carries out manufacturing, production, quality and warehousing at our 18-acre factory located at Tanjavur, India. This plant, under one roof, is capable of manufacturing air preheater and electrostatic precipitators of any type and size, including all of its spares, air preheater components such as sector plates, integral sector plates, drive brackets, and other milling of heavier sections requiring accurate flat surface finish are done using a plano milling machine. Geeco converts raw materials into a product in the most efficient way by integrating cost-effective methods along with the aim of reducing the impact of production on the environment. For major components, we do trial assemblies at our production facility to ensure trouble-free fitment in site conditions. Our basket manufacturing process involves dimension control from the empty basket stage using a special gauge. Our state-of-the-art automated basket manufacturing lines are robustly designed with PLC and sensors providing the best precision and quality. Profile sheets of different configurations are rolled and sheared on these automated lines. The finished baskets are coated with rust prevention oil. We also supply enameled baskets for air heaters and gas-to-gas heaters. The sheets are profiled using a rolling process and baskets are supplied, ensuring sturdiness for handling, better performance and long life. Uniquely, Geeco does a trial assembly of pin racks to ensure precise fitment at the site. Safety, quality and punctuality. That's how our products reach any destination all around the world. Packing is done as specified by the customers. Our plant is well connected for transportation with road, sea and air. We handle and optimize all complicated facets of supply, ensuring timely and safe handoff from Geeco to customer. Erection and services. We take on complete erection, overseeing a wide variety of functions. Our experienced and competent service engineers identify even the smallest problem, quickly troubleshooting with customized solutions, thus bringing about performance improvements and reliable operation. Geeco offers cost-effective solutions which are engineered to international standards in order to meet the specific requirements of the customer. We undertake orders for assessment studies to ascertain whether any modification can be made that could increase operating performance. Training and development. Geeco conducts regular training and development sessions, thereby increasing productivity, improving work quality. Quality control. Geeco, being an IMS certified company, has adopted product-specific quality control procedures, standard welding procedures, and standard quality plans. Testing. The performance of air preheaters and electrostatic precipitators are evaluated using grid-based measurements in compliance with international standards by well-trained engineers using advanced probes and sensors. Research and development. R&D is an integral part of Geeco and contributes to the advancements in both products and processes. Geeco has designed and developed an in-house advanced wind tunnel test facility to study the performance of heating elements. Clientele. Apart from our domestic customers, we have worldwide customers in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, the UAE, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon, Cyprus, Egypt, Libya, Austria, South Africa, the USA, Jamaica, Panama, and Ecuador. Awards. Environmental focus. Geeco strives to implement environmental-friendly green practices by planting 3,000 trees. To reduce the carbon footprint and conserve energy, we have implemented solar panels. Core values. Customized solution. Innovative concepts. Engineering excellence. Quick response. Continual support. Customers' delight. Geeco, global leaders in energy and environment solutions.